Hello everyone, this is Shruti and you are watching Sci Facts. Well, it's a simple two-rule that makes 130 feet aircraft fly thousands of feet in the sky. Imagine going to a business trip to New York or vacation to Paris, sitting in the window seat and looking outside and wonder how this massive aircraft fly. Well, it's not a rocket science but a simple physics, also known as aerodynamics. Talking about aerodynamics, most of the people understand that wingspan makes the plane fly and the propeller makes them move forward. This is the fair amount of knowledge we all have. It's just a simple physics, but when dealing with the standard aircraft like Boeing 737, it's important to know that four major forces act on the aircraft. Those are lift, thrust, drag, and weight. First of all, lift. So maybe we know wings help plane to fly. Let's see what happens technically. As you see in this animation, shape of the aeroplane wings is like aerofoils. In normal forward moving slide, when wind passes through aerofoil, due to its shape, it forces air to move faster at the top as you can see and slower at the bottom. Due to the difference, low pressure is created at the top and high pressure at the bottom. The slow moving air at bottom creates pressure on wings to move up. As Bernoulli's law states that fluid here goes from high pressure to low pressure. This lift makes wing to pull aircraft up. The second part is thrust. So this is easier concept if you have understood how lift works. What actually happens is that when engine starts, propeller converts engine horsepower into thrust by accelerating air and creating a low pressure in front of the propeller. Since air naturally moves from high to low pressure, it creates thrust that pulls aircraft forward. So in conclusion, we can say these two forces makes the aircraft fly and move forward. But there are also two counteract forces, as we can see, weight and drag. Let's talk about weight. Simply put, gross weight is equals to payload plus fuel plus empty weight. Payload includes material to form the body of aircraft. For a better understanding, I had put a chart below for a rough idea. In order to make aircraft fly, lift generated by the wings must be equal or greater than the weight or aircraft. Here we get our first condition. Lift is equals to or greater than weight. If gross weight of fuel is greater than lift, it can be disastrous. Now let's talk about drag. In simple words, we can say that opposite to thrust is drag. It's just a natural tendency of an object to resist moving through fluids, air or water. If you have traveled in any kind of aircraft like passenger plane, you would have felt a vibration. It's all due to drag. So here we get our second condition. Thrust must be greater or equal to drag. We got our two conditions or rules in order to make an aircraft to move forward and fly. Now let's apply these two rules on massive Boeing 737 takeoff. Imagine yourself sitting on your aircraft ready to fly. Engine starts and with that propeller will start to create thrust. Aircraft will move forward but will not lift cause there is no wind. After some minutes in runway, when aircraft will be in a power velocity, this will create wind due to thrust velocity and eventually wings will create lift and make your aircraft fly. I hope you understood the aerodynamics of the plane. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more such interesting and informative science videos. Goodbye. See you until the next video.